Hello, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. She also.
Okay, you both are from German, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
But okay, but you speak English very good. I see that.
yeah, yeah. Basically,
Could
that's she can, but I can.
she can't speak English?
She can speak English, but who cares?
Well, what?
Woman,
Well,
woman.
don't you teach
What?
don't you teach her how to speak English?
Who cares, bro? She doesn't need English.
Ah, okay. It depends on her whether she is willing to learn English or not. It's okay.
You want to learn English? Ah, yes, but she.
Okay, so it's your fault. You are not gonna really give me a good teach.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a bad teacher, bro.
Whatever, whatever. I was chemistry student, but I can speak English because it's my own effort.
Ah, you're from Bangladesh, yes?
Exactly, it is.
Is it? How is it in Bangladesh? Isn't it overpopulated?
Yeah, it is. It's overpopulated comparatively to our land.
Populated? Mm, okay. Brother, but what are you doing in Bangladesh? Like, there, this is a very poor country, you know.
Uh, you know that, yeah. Basically, we used to live under the poverty line, but now our people is really getting better by itself, like doing business, really building up a social career, like freelancing, something else, you know. So yeah, it's doing good.
Yeah, but I think Bangladesh, it's like that was India earlier. I mean, that's like pretty the same as India. Like cultural is like not so big difference. Cultural.
Yeah, I think there is a quite different between India and Bangladesh because it's a Muslim-based country, Bangladesh.
Ah, you're Muslim.
Yeah,
Ah, okay, okay. Tamam. So you were like you were not Hindi.
Hindi and Bangla are quite different, not too much different actually.
Yeah, but like you still thinking about the same God. Yes, you're still sinning to the same God.
Look, we believe in Allah, but we believe in one God. There is no God except Allah, but you call God, we say Allah, other persons, other religion persons say different names, but basically the same thing. Hello, where are you from?
I should sit down. Don't move.
No, I'm not gonna move.
Good for you.
Where are you from? Let me know.
What? Yeah, I'm from Lebanon. Bangladesh.
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. You're from Sweden?
No, I'm from Lebanon. Do you want the passport? Do you want the passport? I can give you the passport from Sweden.
Oh, I have passport.
Yeah, I can give you a visa.
So why do you wanna give me visa? Why?
Because I'm so nice.
Because you're so. Oh wow, you just appeared like my favorite plot twist on the screen. Thank you.
Because he's very hot. He's sexy.
Me? Me?
You're so dude.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you're really hot.
What's your name? What's your name?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo?
Yeah. Why are
Uh,
you laughing?
what about you? What
Why
about
are
you?
you laughing? She's Mimi.
Cuckoo and Mimi. Wow, beautiful name.
What about you?
My name is Cuckoo and Mimi.
حاضر المسافر. انت بصراحة. Oh, but you did. Why are you copying my name?
You're gonna be my future.
No!
Yeah, that I see.
No!
Uh,
Don't you dare! I'm gonna marry somebody called Imad.
and listen, I will.
I have a boyfriend. You see this ring? No, not me either. Her boyfriend's name is Laith, and mine is Imad.